Okay, here. Hi, and welcome to Seasparkles Corner. Today, we're going to do a product test. Ready? We're going to ask the question. For those of us that has liked Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, Reese's has created a dessert called Reese's Dessert Bar Mix. Okay. And we're going to answer the question that's been answering people for generations. Will this or won't this taste like a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup? Now, for those of us who like Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, raise your hand. Cha! I did. Okay, here we go. And it says on the back, it's got specific instructions, and it says it's a no-bake recipe and the pan's included. It also says on there that you need to start 30 to 45 minutes before you plan to eat it. Okay, so you will need a tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, margarine or spread softened, and a quarter of a cup of butter or half a cup for filling or margarine spread. Okay, that means I need more butter. Okay, so apparently there's a lot of butter in this recipe. And you get that out of your refrigerator, so everything comes with it. So, shall we begin? Opening the box. Okay. Alright, so I'm opening the box. Alright, it has peanut butter. The melted butter is required. It's got chocolate topping. It has filling mix. And it has chocolate. Okay, so we're going to paste. Alright, and the pan is included. This is the pan. This is the whole size of the pan. Okay. Alright, place topping pouch in a bowl of hot water and set aside. Okay, so I need a bowl of hot water. Make sure I get a bowl that's microwave safe because I'm gonna heat it in the microwave. Stainless steel, okay. Well, I guess I'm not gonna use the microwave. I'll just heat the water on the stove while we're doing the rest. Okay. Alright, so that's heating up the hot water. And so we'll continue on. Alright. Measure 2 tablespoons of softened butter in the microwave bowl and add the crust mix. Okay. So, Reese's filling mix, chocolate topping, peanut butter. Is this the crust mix? Yeah, this is a crust mix. So it says the first thing you do after you've melted and softened your butter right here is to mix them together. Okay. Oh, it's a little windy. Okay. So we're going to mix it together. And so I'm going to use a fork and I'm going to mix it together. So the butter is softening the granules. Alright. I like chocolate. I guess everybody by now knows Seasparkle likes chocolate. Alright. So then, alright. Okay, an ungreased pan. Alright, stir with fork until moistened and firmly press in your pan. Okay. Alright. I gotta admit, I can hardly wait to taste test this. Alright, then spread it evenly on the bottom. I must admit, just going and buying Reese's Peanut Butter Cups is easier, but not as much fun. Let's see how we can get this spread evenly. We want to get this over every bit of it. We're going to find out if this tastes good or not. Now this chocolate bit on the bottom is going to be very thin because, well, that's how much they provided with it. And I guess in the Reese's peanut butter cups, the bottom chocolate must be kind of thin, because I'm sure the people who invented the Reese's peanut butter cups knew how much chocolate they wanted with it. So I'm trying to get this as even as possible. Oh, it smells like chocolate. It smells so good. And if you just keep pushing it with your fork, you know, you'll gradually get it over the whole bottom evenly as possible. Okay? It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. Now, that's what it looks like. Alright. Alright, melt a half a cup of butter in the microwave bowl, a quarter of a cup, and on high, 15 minutes, and stir in the filling mix. Okay. I'm going to get a nice microwavable bowl. Okay. That's a microwavable bowl. And this little dude, which is adorable, is a quarter of a cup. Right to here. It's small, it's just a quarter of a cup. And it says a quarter of a cup. Alright? So we're going to measure out a quarter of a cup of butter onto it. This little baby here is a quarter of a cup. Alright, so we're going to put that into this says on the bottom it's microwave safe. So this baby can go in the microwave. Never put anything in the microwave unless it's microwavable safe. Alright, now let's see, how long do we put in the microwave? High for 15 seconds. So, I just hit the start button, I'll remove it at 15 seconds. Okay. Now, I'm gonna, alright, place a hot topping pouch. This is the chocolate topping pouch. Alright. Now, this is hot. Okay, this is hot, very hot. Okay? And it says to put the topping pouch in there. I don't want to burn my fingers. Okay? And set aside. So we've done that. Now understand we're product testing. So that means we do everything according to the directions. We don't change a thing. Okay, now we've got that. I didn't know if this was hot or not. Oh, it's not. I was being cautious. I didn't want to burn myself. Okay, now we've melted the quarter cup of butter. Alright, filling mix. Now we look for filling mix. Alright, this is your filling mix. Okay, stirring filling mix. Okay.